Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer, your hub for America's hottest classic motorcycles for sale. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible vintage machines you can buy right now. Number 1. 1983 Harley-Davidson FXWG Wide Glide, $9,900, Tennessee. We begin with a true early 80s American icon, the Harley-Davidson FXWG Wide Glide. This particular unit is in excellent condition, and the standout feature is its rebuilt engine with under 1,000 miles supported by proper paperwork, always a key selling point for serious Harley collectors. Almost everything on this bike is 99% OEM or pulled directly from Harley's 1980s catalog, from the wide front end to the chrome details that defined the era. It runs and rides like new, with fresh Harley tires, a new clutch, and a new compensator, meaning it's not just a display piece, but a machine ready for the road. The seller even has the original carburetor, a big plus for restorers who want period-correct authenticity. And this motorcycle isn't just well kept, it's a multiple Best of Show winner, including at the Possum Vintage Motorcycle Gathering. It's a machine that steals attention everywhere it goes. This Wide Glide represents everything riders love about early factory customs: long, low, loud, and unmistakably Harley. Two, 1973 Yamaha 360 RT1, $5,000, Missouri. Next up is a beautifully preserved 1973 Yamaha RT1 360, a legendary two-stroke enduro from the era when Yamaha dominated off-road innovation. This one is described as like new, with the seller being only the bike's second owner. It still has its title in hand, which is essential for bikes over 50 years old. The machine idles and runs great, showing that it's been properly maintained and not left to deteriorate in a shed. The RT1's 360cc two-stroke single is known for strong low-end torque, making it a blast on trails or back roads. These bikes are getting harder to find in truly clean condition, and this example is a fantastic option for anyone wanting a rider-quality vintage enduro without a long restoration project. 3. 1974 BMW R90-6, $6,500, Georgia. Moving to a European classic, we have a 1974 BMW R90-6, a model respected for its durability, balanced performance, and effortless road manners. The seller bought this as a project and brought the bike back to life after years of neglect. It's now a well-sorted, well-running airhead, with the odometer reset to 30,000 miles after the bike's refresh. The R90-6 is powered by BMW's bulletproof 898cc air-cooled boxer twin, smooth, torquey, and capable of cruising all day. With its iconic toaster tank, upright seating, and long-legged highway feel, this is a bike built for riders who appreciate classic engineering done right. This is a perfect entry point into vintage BMW ownership: reliable, simple to service, and endlessly charming. Four, 1981 Kawasaki KZ1000A, $9,500, Florida. Here comes a piece of Japanese muscle bike history, a fully restored 1981 Kawasaki KZ1000A. This motorcycle represents peak early 80s superbike performance, carrying an 1089cc air-cooled inline-4 with smooth power delivery and famous Kawasaki durability. It has a 5-speed transmission, shaft drive, and that unmistakable Kawasaki stance with chrome accents and bold proportions. This restoration looks extremely thorough. Photos are available from the seller. And the machine blends raw power with the everyday reliability Kawasaki was known for. The upright riding position makes it perfect for longer rides, while the aggressive top-end power reminds you it comes from the golden age of Japanese superbikes. For collectors hunting a clean KZ, this is a standout find. Number 5. 1952 Triumph 6T Thunderbird, $15,000, Massachusetts. Now we jump back into true vintage territory with a 1952 Triumph 6T Thunderbird, one of the most important British motorcycles of the post-war era. This example is very original, with matching numbers purchased from the well-known Baxter Cycle back in the 90s. Under previous ownership, it was repainted by Don Hutchinson, a respected name in North American Triumph restoration. The bike has been fully serviced and is ready to ride, making it one of those rare vintage Triumphs that offers both collector appeal and functional roadworthiness. The 6T Thunderbird gained international fame when Marlon Brando rode one in The Wild One, and this 1952 model captures that timeless charm perfectly. It's a museum-grade machine that you can actually enjoy on the road. 6. 1972 Honda CB, $4,500, South Carolina. Our next listing is a beautifully kept 1972 Honda CB, wearing its original briar brown metallic paint. And this isn't a garage queen, it's a bike that gets ridden every week, showing exceptional reliability. With 22,000 miles, the bike has had its carbs synced, new points and condenser installed, and timing set properly. It carries tasteful mods, a Carpy's stainless 4-1 exhaust, Euro bars, bar end mirrors, bullet indicators, lowering shocks, and a Lucas replica taillight. All electrical systems work perfectly. Maintenance continues with brand new Dunlop K70 tires, a new chain, new grips, and fresh switches. It even includes its original toolkit and a clean title. This machine has patina where it counts, upgrades that improve usability, and the character of a well-loved classic Honda. Number 7. 1984 Moto Guzzi V65, $2,500, Tennessee. Now for one of the best value finds on the list, a 1984 Moto Guzzi V65, priced at only $2,500. This 650cc Italian V-twin offers a uniquely engaging ride with Moto Guzzi's signature transverse engine layout. With only 8,070 miles and matching numbers, it's a highly original bike in good condition. The V65 is known for its lightweight feel, smooth torque, and excellent handling, making it a great introduction to vintage Italian motorcycles. At this price, it's a genuine hidden gem that provides a collectible European experience without breaking the bank. 8. 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, $6,000, Florida. Our next bike is a second-year 1976 Honda Goldwing GL1000, a model that completely changed long-distance motorcycling. This example has under 40,000 miles, is entirely original, and has even won awards at shows. The seller notes that it can be ridden across the country without hesitation, a testament to the GL1000's legendary engineering. This Goldwing has been a prized possession of its 85-year-old owner for over 15 years, and it shows. The bike is clean, well-preserved, and represents an era when Honda was redefining what touring motorcycles could be. Original, unmodified Goldwings like this are quickly becoming valuable collector pieces. 9. 1949 Triumph Tiger 100, $8,500, Florida. Now we go truly vintage with a 1949 Triumph Tiger 100, a motorcycle steeped in British history and wartime engineering. This one is in like-new condition, ridden weekly, and comes with original manuals. It was imported from the UK in 1979 with a full restoration completed in 1981. Documentation includes the original UK registration and pre-restoration photos, a huge bonus for authenticity. The Tiger 100 was first introduced in 1939, and this example embodies everything enthusiasts love about early Triumphs: simplicity, elegance, and remarkable mechanical charm. Collectors will appreciate the accuracy of the restoration and the bike's event participation history. 10. 1975 Suzuki TS400 Apache, $7,400, Florida. Finally, we finish with a rugged legend, the 1975 Suzuki TS400 Apache, a two-stroke dual sport known for its punchy power and bulletproof design. This 50-year-old machine is in remarkable condition, typically starting on the second kick even after sitting for months. With 300 miles ridden by the current owner, it has been enjoyed but not abused. It includes original documents such as the bill of sale and the operator's manual, plus a clear Florida title. The TS400 is becoming one of the most sought-after vintage dual sports because it blends nostalgia, off-road capability, and collectible appeal in one package. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of America's hottest classic motorcycles for sale. See you in the next hunt!